There was a man who made his living selling balloons at a fair. He had balloons of different colors, including red, yellow, blue, and green. Whenever business was slow, he would release a helium filled balloon into the air. When children saw the balloon go up, they all wanted one. They would come up to him, buy a balloon, and his sale would go up. All the day, he continued to release the balloon whenever sales were slow. One day, the balloon man felt someone tugging at his jacket. He turned around, and a little boy asked, "If you release the black balloon, will that also fly?" Moved by the boy's concern, the man replied gently, "Son, it is not the color of the balloon, it is what inside that make it go up. The same principle applies to our life. It is what is inside that counts, and what is inside of us that makes up go up is our attitude." It was found in a research when a person get a job or promotion, 85% of the time it is because of her attitude, and only 15% because of her intelligence and knowledge of specific subjects and facts.